Welcome to another episode of Crypto Miner, guys. Today I'm gonna be analyzing what is happening regarding the Bitcoin and also Ethereum price. So things are getting a little bit more clear now. We are watching what is happening in the charts. It's going exactly as we predicted. Okay, so I am going directly to the chart, and as far as you can see right here, we have something that many people cannot notice. This is an inverse head and shoulder pattern playing out in the 15-minute chart for Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do at this point, okay, is to show you how we could take this as an inverse head and shoulder pattern that can easily break out and which targets we are focusing in. So the first price target I'm focusing is the 65,682. This is the highest price I'm expecting at this point, but also I'm gonna be taking a little bit earlier this thing exactly right here, okay? And if I'm gonna counting this in case this breaks to the upper side, it really does takes me right here. So the whole point, as far as you can see, okay, everything comes in perfect alignment that the 65,000 approximately 500 is the perfect scenario at this point to break to the upper side. But of course we are not staying just right here, okay? We are going a little bit further. If we are going to increase this kind like to higher time frames at this point, as far as you can see, I'm gonna be checking this bull flag breakout to the upper side. That also gives me a better scenario and a better price target at this point. So I'm gonna be taking this, but I'm not gonna be counting this as a usual bull flag scenario breaking to the upper side. I'm gonna be counting in a different way what I call AB equals AD. So at this point, the 230 right here is the price target where I'm watching at this point that also could easily play out right now. And this is coming in a very nice price target in a little bit longer term. This is not doesn't mean that this is going to be reached at the same time. So what is the bad scenario that could play at this point? So what I would do is to cut this off, okay, and check this as a double top scenario right now. So is this legit? Could this really like play out? Well, if we're going to see a kind of reverse pattern, this technically reversing at this point, start touching lower price targets and breaks what we call the previous resistance that turns into support, then yes guys, things are looking really blurry, and I'm telling you it's gonna be like a sell-off opportunity. Maybe some people will enter and this doesn't look so great, but I'm sitting right here and I'm saying to you guys, we found perfectly, we confirm this resistance line that broke to the upper side into support, and right now I'm watching for further price targets to the upper side. So the worst scenario is to come and touch this point, 59,700. This is what I'm watching, but not at this point, I think. So things are looking really bullish after this bounce to the upper side. So let's go to the Ethereum price. Okay, what I made at this point, okay? We also have an inverse head and shoulder pattern. As you can see, this is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So all of this is taking us to this green territory, and this is confirmed by also Fibonacci extension levels. So I would stay at this point. This is the price targets from the 4,085 to the, I'm gonna be zooming out a little bit, to the 4,130 almost. So this is the price targets I am watching. Take some profits in case this breaks to the upper side. What if this come to consolidate a little bit further? Then I'm gonna be searching things that they don't really exist right now in the pattern, but I'm gonna be try to focus in what I have. So the touching points that they are about to be created later on in case this is not an overextension. So for example, touch another point right here and then have another better maybe right shoulder playing out at this point where The measurable price target can reach easily the 3,833, even the 3,743. This is not the scenario I'm watching right now. Maybe the 3,833, this is the point I am expecting right here. I hope you guys like the update and the work behind it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, please, to smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all the notifications. Takes nothing from your time, and see you in the next one of Crypto Miner. Bye bye.